But if you ever feel like this, only been days, but it feel like months. Go for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you knew what I want. Out of my
My nose look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time. Later.
Hello. Welcome back to another video. Tell a friend that Lucky has uploaded a video. This vlog is gonna be about my spring break, how I spent my spring break. First of all, I have a birthday party to attend in few hours time. After that, I'm gonna have a lot of cool activities for this spring break. Forgive how I look. I just woke up. I look crusty. Wait, if you're new here, if this is the first time you're seeing my face, hi, my name is Lucky. I am an introverted, extroverted human being, also a college kid. Welcome to my visual diary. I love fashion, I love making videos, I love writing, I love traveling, I love meeting new people, I love making friends. I'm friendly, I am goofy. Feel free to subscribe to join the family, and I really hope you enjoy this vlog. Nice to meet you. Bye. Amen.
Thank you for the prayer. So, the next thing we're going to sing for our birthday girl, and we expect her to stand up.
In the middle.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Winning alive for 2-2.
Amen.
Hola, everyone, are you ready? Lucky, I'm going to start. Head grab.
Tell me you're Nigerian without actually telling me that you are Nigerian. Jollof rice. Jollof rice on top. I just had my burrito. Show your burrito. Our shawarma.
I almost finished.
Shawarma.
Delicious. Shout out to the chef.
Bussin'. Yeah.
Bro, Joe Price is the best, I swear, and fried rice too.
You didn't have your own.
Mwah. No bars.
No bars.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. So today we're going to cook for spring break. We're going to prep because the dining service is going to be limited. We're going to a friend's place by 5 to go prep and cook. We're going to cook like Nigerian dishes, jollof rice, rice and stew, and spaghetti. I know this is clothes I wore yesterday, but I know this is clothes I wore yesterday.
It never changes.
I'm not going anywhere, so duh. Beside us are people that actually like having photo shoots for graduation, and my prayer point is that I'm actually very happy for them because they're free from the assignments, from everything, from the deadlines. So us, God, you that did it for them, do it for us.
Imagine like we now graduate. You have to see this video again.
I know, right? God, you that did it for them to graduate, do it for us. Not just graduate, graduate with flying colors. We got a stew on fire and we started cooking 6:44 and fingers crossed for the rest. So we are actually not in our dorms because our dorms don't have like kitchen setting and everything. So we went to a friend of ours to cook, and yeah, so all thanks to our friend, because if not for our friend we won't be able to like to cook at all. So guys, we are done cooking. Just finished cooking the stew, the rice, and the pasta is still on fire. And guys, turn over, minus nothing.
Thank you.
This is the stew. Then let me show you the rice. This is the rice and stew. Guys, so we are done. Got my pasta, got my stew, I got my rice, I got my stew, I got my dessert, I got my pasta. So this should sustain us till Tuesday, I guess. And that's a wrap, guys.
24 hours later.
So guys, what's up? Another day, another sleigh. So today, first of all, happy Easter. Jesus rose for you and I to save us from damnation. So happy Easter from me to you. So anyways, I am going to a housewarming party today, and I'll be taking you along with me. Actually, the reason why I'm going is because there's going to be like African dishes there and Afro beats. So now I have 1 hour to prepare. Let's go. Hey Nigerians, you guys say hi. Hello. Hi. You guys want to kick there. assignment here. Guys, this is what I came for. This is what I came for. Exactly. Beloved, this is what we did what we came for. Yeah, don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Shh. Look at this. Special way, what was impossible, you made possible. Jesus, Jesus, yeah, you have done it again. Jesus, yeah, in your special way, what was impossible, you made possible. Jesus, yeah. Jesus, yeah. You have done it again. Jesus, yeah. In your special way, what was impossible? What's that? You made possible. Jesus,
yeah. 3 days later.
I am going to the beach with few of my friends. I am going to the beach with 2 of my friends. So this was like hang out and explore the town. And yeah, they were like, "Oh, Lucky, what's your plan for spring break?" And I said, "Nothing." They were like, we should hang out. Where do you want to go?" I'm like, the beach. So yeah, I'm going to the beach with my friends and they're probably waiting for me right now. So the beach, here I come. Hey guys, Christian is ready to dive into the water and I'm not ready to dive. I don't want to get wet. But Christian is so ready. Yeah, I'm ready. So ready. Actually, we're actually waiting for one of our friends, so I think we're going to go pick him and I wish he comes. I know. So yeah, let me give you a sneak peek. This is what it looks like. Guys, to be honest, I actually needed this break, I needed this escape because these past few weeks have been so overwhelming for me and I'm so glad I had to have time. I'm so glad this spring break came in the right time. unfortunately, our friend couldn't make it, so we are heading to his house right now to see him, and there's gonna be food, and yeah, had so much fun. It was such a therapeutic moment. Sub vlog. So we just left Liam's house right now, and he's actually not feeling fine, so that's why I could not come for the hangout, and we're heading back to campus. I had apple pie for the first time, and I have hey Kristen, what's the name of the other pie? Yeah, I had kale pie and apple pie. It was busting. We had fun at the beach though, and so fun. So it's nice to meet Liam's Nigerian place.
When I'm back in Chicago, I feel it.
Yeah, I go. Now roll and go. Hey. Yes! Bye, Kristen. See you next week. Whew. So guys, I'm back. This is the end of today's video. I'll see you guys anytime later. Bye. And if you're enjoying this vlog so far, don't forget to thumbs up, like, and share, and comment, and subscribe to do what? To join the family. Bye. Hey guys, so I just really want to chip something in. So if you're a college student like myself, I want to advise you. So first of all, I want to say have fun, make memories, have fun, but not too much fun. Have fun, don't digress. Know the reason why you are here, know the reason why you're in college. I'm indirectly talking to myself. I'm indirectly telling myself because I'm looking at myself right now. So have fun, but not too much fun. Have fun. You only get this college experience once. So make the best out of it. Make a healthy relationship with people, with professors. Let people know you as a positive person and all. So because I try my best to like make my positivity like shine through me basically. So guys, I actually have something cooking up for you guys. So I am not going to be just vlogging on my channel anymore. I have a lot of surprise and fun stuff packed for you all, and I'm very sure you are going to enjoy it because I'm loving this face of mine. This is my creator face, and I love every part of it. Yeah, you all stay safe, have fun, but not too much fun. I'll see you guys later. I don't know if I just want to go to bed right now. I'm going to have a long ass sleep. I have no deadlines, I have no anything. I just have to study for my tests and finals coming up. Aside from that, I'm good to go.
Several days later.
Like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Like move fast when you do what you want. Like this time doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
So guys, I've come to the end of the video. Stay safe. I hope you could stretch today. And bye.